Not sure how good that angle is, but what's up YouTube? I'm Gabe Feldman from the Florida Bass TV, and we are just doing some straight up exactly that today. Bass fishing, largemouth bass, LMB, bass, peacock bass, just sticking to bass today. Now, I know I haven't really been doing a whole lot of saltwater, but the reason I'm saying that is because I'm going to start doing bass fishing tournaments here soon on Lake Okeechobee. And we're going to be fishing for a few $100, so it's really exciting. First open tournament for me, so I'm really excited about that. And today, just decided to take out the camera and do some fishing out here on the kayak. We got peacocks out here too, so that'll be fun. So I've got all these baits that I'm going to try out. Alright, and we're live. Now I'm gonna throw this little swim bait at first. It's kind of a dirty one because I was casting it in the driveway. But I definitely want to tune this reel first because I have not gotten to tune it yet. I know how to throw a baitcaster, I just haven't set this reel yet, but I mean, oh, there's a fish on! No! Oh my god, I was just getting a backlash out. I didn't think there was a fish on, I was just reeling it in. Well, that's what happens when you fish. They be eating your bait. They finessed us. Alright, y'all. Tied on the frog. I don't know how the frog bite really is right now, just because of the fact that it's still a little bit early. But these fish tend to kind of go off of the temperature, and it's pretty dang hot today. So, like I said, it might be February, but it's still hot. Nobody wants the frog today. Alright, there's one on the jig, guys. First thing. That was fast. Like I said, the black and blue is a little bit dark for this clear water, but they hit the swim jig. Whew. First, like, few casts on the swim jig, too. They really like that. For some reason they're not feeling the frog today. Ah, he came off. Had one of those sticks. They're in the trees, guys. Just like last time. Little guy. I don't really want to catch a big fish here. I haven't really caught anything over like that big this whole day. It's kind of annoying. But now we kind of have a pattern. They're in the deeper water with sticks. It's the little pack of craw. Alright, alright. These sticks look pretty dang good. There's one. First flip down there. Whew. I think got the camera pretty wet. They are getting so much bigger, dude. Look at this one. It's like a 12-incher. Oh my god. Alright. Switched over to a little brush hog here. That was the first flip. Caught a little guy. Pretty sure I'm using the 1/2 ounce today. Just because that's all I got with me. 1/2 ounce tungsten. I mean, I usually use a little bit heavier than just the 1 ounce. Than just the 1/2 ounce. Ooh. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. He's coming out. He's coming out. Never mind. He's not as big. There's so many fish down there, though. I love being able to just sit here and catch them non-stop. Ooh. It's a little 12-incher again. All right. Ooh, it's a thicker one. They're in a thick stuff. There's the fish of the day right there. Little guy. It sucks that it's the fish of the day. Little 12-incher. Probably about the fattest one though. And they're in the thick stuff. If I could change anything, guys, I would change my weight to a 1.5 ounces and just punch real back far in here, because these fish are pretty far back in this grass. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Make sure to check out the Cast King channel and all their awesome gear. I got a link in the description for that, so check that down below. And I appreciate y'all for watching, and stay tuned for next time.